Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I received a couple of packages today from Lewis in California, otherwise known as MrBlitzKrieg.
What's going on, everybody? MrBlitzKrieg 1987 here in Los Angeles. I'm sitting outside of the post office where in a minute I'm getting ready to ship out some parts to my good friend James. Let me show you. This is the stuff that I'm gonna be shipping out, and I'm gonna let him tell you exactly what it is. But I have to say, not in a million years did I think something that I had laying in my parts pile was gonna end up in my favorite hatchback. So let's get to shipping this stuff out, guys.
This goes along with the theme of the Black Widow. As you guys know, I'm gonna be basically redoing the engine, hopefully to get some more horsepower. Wasn't quite happy with how it was done before. Anyway, let's open these boxes and see what he sent. I haven't opened these boxes yet, so we'll be doing this together. I must say, he really taped it up good. Okay, let's see. Ooh, looks like a set of rockers. Let's see what kind. Oh yeah, Trick Flow 1.6 rocker, nice. And if I remember correctly, I believe they're stud mount. There's the adjusters here. And more over here. Yeah, man, these are nice. Look at that. That is real nice. And so you guys may be wondering, what exactly are these going to be mounted on? Well, that's in the box below here. Very, very big box. And I must say, quite heavy as well. So, as you can see now, it's AFR. Considering the size of the box and the weight of the box, I'm certain it's a set of AFR heads. So let's take a look, see what they are. Not quite sure how this box opens. So, I don't know if I want to cut the box off. Ooh-wee. Woohoo! Look at that. It's like it's a set of AFR heads, and they've never been used. Awesome. So, brand new set of AFR heads. Thanks, Lewis. I appreciate that. And judging by the serial number, and right here, they're the AFR 165s. So yeah, man, these look really good. Thanks, Lewis. Man, I appreciate that, man. And I did not get these for free. I did pay Lewis for these, but him and I kept it kind of between ourselves. But I can reveal now that Lewis actually had found these and purchased these for his own build, but I believe he's going a different direction. And so with his build, and they were just in his closet. And so I told him what I wanted to do to the Black Widow, and he sold them to me. So here they are, getting ready to go on the Black Widow. These are really nice. Lewis, I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate the deal as well. Now we can talk about the plans for this year with the Black Widow. So the plans for the Black Widow this year. As you guys know, I'd originally planned to go to Motor City Fox Fest this year because we went last year. A number of you have been asking me if I'm gonna go this year, and that was actually the plan, to actually go. But as you guys know, I brought the Black Widow home from Blue Oval Performance, and it overheated, and I think I blew a head gasket, I'm not sure, but either way, it wasn't running properly when I brought it home. So what I'm decided to do, if I have to take those heads off anyway to replace the head gaskets, I might as well just rebuild the top part of the engine the way that I want. And so, which is the reason for the heads. I'm gonna be going with long tube headers and FP performance mufflers, which I already have, but I'm gonna be going with their race ones. So, and of course I'm sticking with turn downs. And I may or may not be changing the front end of the front bumper to a stalker front bumper on the Black Widow as well.
You lying? Yeah.
I may do that, I may not do it. The reason why I'm thinking that I won't do it is because, as you guys know, the outside of the car is very minty anyway, and so I have all the VIN stickers, and so I kind of don't want to pull all that off. But there again, I may or I may not sure. But bottom line is, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to make it to Motor City Fox Fest this year. We'll be watching everybody's videos to see what you guys catch and who attends. So if you guys can make it this year, by all means, I support Motor City Fox Fest because, dude, they have the best, hands down, attendance that I've seen at any of the shows. So, and believe me, it will not be a waste of your time or your money if you go. So hopefully 2026, I'll see you guys there. The Black Widow should be ready, so she'll be coming with me, and that'll be that. You guys have a good day. What you're seeing right here is the playlist, which is a compilation of the videos to show you guys the actual work that we've done thus far. So if you get a chance, go back and revisit those videos so you can stay up to date with our current progress.